Hello, friends. Good morning. Today, again, you are joining me on my victory series. Friends, one has to be victorious through the knowledge. So, let us now come to our subject today in share market SMS Corona, immunity, share market, and you. Why this topic so related? Share market is related to Corona. It is 1000% related. Let's just check it out. Friends, what is actually this immunity? Immunity is nothing but it is a defense mechanism of the body. Indian soldiers, they are giving us immunity by protecting us from the Chinese invasion. Nowadays, there is a war going on between India and China, or there is tension between India and China. So, defense mechanism of India is our defense soldiers, our armies. Similarly, in our body also we have the armies and they defend us. We will just check it out a little later. Friends, so these army, what we call them, soldiers, colonel, all these kind, we call it that antibodies. Indian army is Indian army. For our body, our system, our defense mechanism is known as antibodies, and they are actually Y-shaped. Friends, I would like to tell you that when a child is born, there is no immunity because his organs have not started producing the antibodies. In a child, antibodies are produced up to age of about 8 when the organs are fully matured and they start producing antibodies in good number. And in the old people who are plus 55 years or 60 years of age, these organs, they start producing less of antibodies, therefore they are more prone to the infections. Friends, in our body there are 180 crores antibodies. How much? This is the total reserve. This is the total reservoir of antibodies in a normal Indian or normal Asian. More the disease, more the antibodies. Because antibodies are produced against the disease caused by bacteria or caused by the virus or other microorganisms. Now, antibodies are these antibodies, what happens is, as I have said, these antibodies have got Y-shaped. Let us see for an example. One antibody has come, it is rectangular in shape. New antibody has come, it is rectangular in shape. Our body, whether it is bacteria or a virus or protozoa or this algae, whatever it is, fine, our body will manufacture the antibodies in shape and size of the bacteria or virus. At 4 places, the bacteria and virus, each antibody kills at 4 places. Now what happens is, the moment the bacteria comes, virus comes, there is 1-to-1 fight between the two and the microorganisms is killed. When all the microorganisms are killed, we are healthy. Similarly, when the microorganisms are more, antibodies are less, then what happens? Then we are sick. Now, Corona actually is spreading all over the country. This is the new virus. The new virus which has come, our body does not have any antibody for this virus. So people are getting the infection. And those people who have formed antibodies, they have become healthy and they have gone away. Children and adult, children because enough antibodies they are not started forming. Adults, because their systems are not producing enough of antibodies, they are dying. As simple as that. Now, so we have concluded one thing is that the new organisms, the antibodies are formed. Now we come to one more point. Supposing that a person has coronavirus, will he again get the infection? Quite unlikely. Why? Because he had corona, his body produced antibodies, and next time when the corona comes, virus comes, his body will automatically produce enough of antibodies to kill the corona. So that means these antibodies which are formed, they are registered, in their shape and size is registered within our body. Next time the infection comes, the antibodies are formed within about 1.5 to 2 hours time, and as a result of this, what happens is that the patient does not respond to corona or corona is killed. Now, how are the vaccines made? Naturally, if the antibodies are formed in the body, corona is coming according to shape and size, that means the corona vaccine will be formed from corona itself. Shape and size. See these vaccines, today we have many kind of BCG, we have chickenpox is all gone now. The BCG we have, pertussis we have. Say about 8-10 vaccines are still there. Chickenpox is there, smallpox is gone, polio is gone. Fine. So all these vaccines which I have, they are all made from the shape and size of the bacteria only, because the moment they go into the body, antibodies are given from the outside. Vaccines are about their antibodies only. The antibodies are given from the outside. Immediately, what they kill the bacteria within the body, and patient is happy. These antibodies are, formula of their antibodies is registered for the future protection. Clear? Friends, this is as far as our body is concerned. Now let us check with the share market also. In the share market, we have friends, in the share market who have a lot of money with them. They have come into the share market, and all these blue ones are the people who are unarmed, no antibodies with them. So they have come into the share market, and at the same time they are faced with our friends who know the share market very well. And then what they do is they rob them up. Now what is required? Remove the glasses actually which you are wearing always, that I know everything. If you are losing, you know nothing. Fine. Therefore, friends, you have to remove your change your frame of mind, change your vision, and unless until you know fundamental analysis and technical analysis, knowledge of these two will protect you from the rest. What you require is knowledge of fundamental analysis and knowledge of technical analysis. Friends, you will be always winner. This is perhaps my message to you today. Fine. And then one thing more is there. What is that thing more is there? The X sense. What is that X sense? But before that, I explain to you X sense, friends. I must remind you that enough people are not subscribing to my channel. Neither they are pressing the bell button. On the Facebook, I get a lot of calls. Thank you very much. But to the channel, please subscribe right away, and at the same time, press the bell button for the notification. Friends, let us check what is the X sense. What is that sense, a trader must have to always win? And this actually is nothing but patience. A trader has to have patience. Means what? Till you are 200% convinced that you are going to win the game, do not enter the market. Flying bird, it is very difficult to kill. But the moment the object comes in your target point, don't hesitate to shoot. Unnecessary, don't shoot around, you will lose all your money. So my conclusion here is, acquire the knowledge of fundamental analysis, technical analysis. They will manufacture antibodies for you. Nobody will be able to rob you of your money. And then be very patient in the share market. Every day is not trading day. Friends, even I also want to earn money, but I am not interested in trading at all. what I'm saying. I trade only when I fix my eye on the target, or when the target comes into my view, I don't hesitate to shoot. I want to earn the money. I don't want to unnecessarily trade. Fine. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Be winner, always winner, and learn fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and be patient. You will make the money. Thank you very much.